How sharp will this tractor turn? Let's find out. So what we'll do today is take this out in this dirt that doesn't have really any tracks in it from vehicles, and we'll turn this tractor as sharp as we can in two-wheel drive and in four-wheel drive and measure it and see just what the turning radius of this thing is. So let's pull out there. This thing turns amazingly sharp in my opinion, and I wanted to find out just how sharp it is. So what I'm going to do is just crank it around. And see how sharp it turns. And there it's running just inside its own tracks. Alright, let's stop it there. Get the tape out, see what she measures. Alright, so I put the tape measure down here, and it looks like center of rear tire to center of rear tire is about a 7-foot diameter. That's pretty good. Let's see what the outside is. So once we got the tape out here, looks like about 20 feet 6 inches to center of your outside front steer to the center of the outside front. So overall, if you went outside to outside, you're still right at about 21 feet. That's a pretty sharp turning radius, especially when you think about the inside being, if you went outside of tire to outside of tire, well under 7 feet. This thing just turns amazingly sharp. I'm impressed. So now we're back in the cab here. I'm going to reach down here, flip in the four-wheel drive, and I'll pull to a different spot here and see if it changes the turning radius at all. I don't think it's going too much if it does at all. There we are. Now we'll get out, see how this measures up. Well, I was wrong. It did change it. Quite a bit, actually. It's just about 10 feet 8 inches. So we gained over 3 feet in turning radius by going into four-wheel drive. That's still a pretty sharp turn in my opinion. But let's see what the outside is now. So, ended up being about 23 feet 6 inches. So we gained 2 feet of turning radius by going into four-wheel drive. I think that's still not too shabby. And I really like how tight this thing turns. And look how you can access everything right there. I want to show you just how much access you have when you do have this thing turned. You can get right into everything. And that's a nice beefy front end. That should hold up well with loader work. That is just a sharp turning tractor. They used all the room, that's for sure. Here's a view on the other side. So overall, I am very pleased with the turning radius on this tractor. It turned substantially sharper than my last tractor, and I thought it turned sharp. If you have any questions, just let me know. Any feedback, just put it down below. Bye-bye.